parts have finally arrived. I've played around with it a bit and it seems really good. Like, I've not had anything bad happen. It runs everything butter smooth. That is what we like to see, boys. But yeah, what you expect, it fucking cost me an absolute bomb. But yeah, I managed to record a few Let's Players, so I spent most of it baffled, but I hope you enjoy. The way I see it is, if it doesn't fit, it won't go. Instructions are for pussies. Did I just say that? You know what? That's staying. What? I was looking at the kids. I was watching music games. What's that? Oh, it's better. That's very good. Hold on a minute, why do you find this so interesting? Like, sort your edit, Kyle, honestly. This is a joke, like, I swear, I spent a good, most of the video was literally just this. That's the silly thing. I've had to edit so much out, some of the footage didn't even record, it's honestly been a mess. At least the fucker's built. Oh, that must have been satisfying, come on. Oh, beautiful. Right. Race. Right, that's where I just need to stop it because I just start doing stupid things. I just don't know what I'm doing with this graphics card. It took me about an hour to put this fucker in. Well, I had to end up cutting that video short because that took an absolute long time. I'm not. This isn't even the PC. This is my old one. Like, I don't know what time is it. It took me a good fucking few hours. That was mad. Just my mess. My absolute abomination of mess. It's not too bad. Just stuff everywhere. The amount of wires, like,
installing the things weren't too bad, but the wires don't look too bad. You can see my reflection more than anything. Yeah, the way it's got these wires that are pressed up against the glass. That's it. It all glows and stuff. So does the graphics card. So I'm happy. That's quite cool. Glows and stuff. I'm not a big fan of glowy shit, but yeah. Just installing the downloading the Windows file for the new PC. And I can install that then.